The prosecution was ready and the defense counsel were also ready to proceed, but the judge decided to read a statement, and he's quoting a red paper article which had insinuated that when he adjourned this matter in Nakawa, when he was still in Nakawa court, he had failed to, he had refused to transfer it to the main central court, which we are in here at Kampala. And then the red paper insinuated that when he came, he now picked it and one tried to hear it here. So he was saying that he has no interest in the case, and that he, in the interest of justice, should seem to be done. So he declined to hear the matter and referred it to the registrar for re-allocation.